Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. Kiki is on the back. Let's go. Next stop is the supermarket. Move the steering wheel and sit up. Move the red switch to raise the cutout. Move the red switch to raise the cutout. Move the steering wheel and sit up. We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class. Let's go buy some stationery and a... Pick your cart. I want to bring these to class. Let's go get them. Yes, it's what I was looking for. Pencil case. Hand sanitizer. Notebook. Water bottle. Pillow. School bag. Put money in the drawer. Everything has been bought. Thanks. We have finished shopping. Get on the bus. Hi, baby bus. Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus. Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. Lulu is on the bus. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class. Let's go take some photos. Wow, I like these clothes. Let me try them on. Turn on the light, please. Click the camera and take a photo of me. It's such a beautiful photo. Thank you. So many pretty clothes. What should I wear? Turn on the light, please. What a great photo! Thank you! We finished our photo shoot! Let's go!
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Hank. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Frank is on the bus. Let's go. We're going to pick up another friend.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash and clean it up. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert.
Let's go, baby bus. Hi, baby bus. Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus. Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt.